Hi, my name is Matthew Bennett. I'm with A&A Incorporated. We are the Airman distributor for North America. Today we're going to spend a couple of minutes talking about the Airman PDS400 compressor, as well as the PDS375 dual pressure and the PDS310 dual pressure. The Airman PDS400 is a 400 CFM, 100 PSI rated machine. The PDS375 offers dual pressure. You have 375 CFM at 100 PSI and 330 CFM at 150 PSI. On the PDS310, it's our high pressure machine. You start at 150 PSI, offering 310 CFM, and then with the flip of a switch, you get 200 PSI at 270 CFM. All machines include the Kubota V3800 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. Let's take a closer look inside the Airman PDS400. Like with all Airman built product, solid steel construction with powder coated finishes, gull wing style doors on all the compressors. The doors are a very significant part in the Airman compressor in that it offers great air intake to ensure the cooling of the machine, as well as the lowest dB rating of any class of compressor through heavy sound attenuation and automotive door seals built in every one of the doors. Once you open the door, you have great access for service and maintenance. You can also see that all Airman compressors include remote service drains. You will also appreciate additional versatility in that all Airman compressors are available in towable or in skid mount configurations through removable fenders, A-frames, and undercarriages. Okay, let's have a look into the curb side of the PDS400 compressor. Again, gull wing style doors, automotive style door seals, and sound attenuation. This is your primary access to your service and maintenance. Complete access to all filters and fluids, sight gauges. All PDS400 platform machines have a 47-gallon fuel tank, offering 10 hours of full runtime. Standard pressure regulator on the PDS400. On the dual pressure and high pressure models, we offer an additional high pressure regulator and on-the-fly switch to go from low to high volume on your units. Great remote service, an additional access port for your receiver tank and compressor oil with an included sight glass. Great versatility, longevity, lowest cost of ownership, and the greatest resale value of any compressor on the market today. Let's take a look at the business end of the Airman PDS400. Control panels are a lockable steel door. Very simple control panel, push button start, access to all of your maintenance and overall disposition of the machine, emergency stop. The PDS400 has two 3/4-inch service valves and one 2-inch service valves, rubber bumpers, a light for your license plate, additional access for service and maintenance, as well as your storage for operator's manuals and keys, again under lockable steel door with steel latches. Now we're standing in front of the PDS375 dual pressure. The only difference between that and a PDS400 is the additional high pressure regulator. With a single switch, you're able to go from 375 CFM at 100 PSI to 330 CFM at 150 PSI, basically giving you two machines in one with the Airman PDS375 dual pressure. So control panel, the only difference on the dual pressure and high pressure machines is this additional switch. With an on-the-fly flip, you can go from low to high pressure for any application. We are now standing in front of the Airman PDS310 dual pressure machine. Built on the PDS400 platform, it has an additional high pressure regulator affording you 330 CFM at 150 PSI and 270 CFM at 200 PSI. So that's all we have for the Airman PDS400, as well as the 375 dual pressure and the PDS310 high pressure. We appreciate your time, your attention, and of course your business. At A&A, we make your world easier.